Could you spend 24 hours winter camping in a tent in -20 with this as your only source of heat? We are challenging ourselves to live out in the woods in the middle of a cold Canadian winter. If you missed our last vlog, we came up with the genius idea to scare our friends at their off-grid cabin by hiding in the woods in these extremely gorgeous outfits.
Watch me how I work it.
Once their nerves settled, we got straight to work. We were reminded of how physically demanding and unpredictable daily life can be when you're living off-grid. So, naturally, what do we all decide to do? Strip away even more comforts, hike into the woods, and try to survive. Spoiler alert, Jazz and Crystal's half-built tiny cabin with no bathroom, no running water, and dicey electricity is going to sound like a 5-star resort by the end of this.
We are with our friends Jazz and Crystal, who are, I want to call them woods experts. I'm not really sure of what a better name for that is.
Off-grid gals.
Off-grid, yeah. There are a couple of off-grid gals. We are on our way to a hot tent right now. And yes, you might be wondering, what on earth is a hot tent? And I don't really know either. We're going to find out. I think it just means that there's a fire inside of a tent, so the tent gets hot. I guess that's it, right, Tal?
Yeah, that makes sense.
As if Jazz and Crystal don't already rough it. They just wanted to rough it some more. So we're here to keep them entertained.
They've spent over the last year and a half making this cabin a home, and they're at the point where they're saying that it's actually too comfortable.
So here we are.
Hello, this is Talia reporting to you live from outside the hot tent. We have been hiking here for over 1 hour, and I don't have any toes anymore.
Oh, better get the fire going for Tal. She could freeze to death.
I'm gonna show you some of the moss because it's trending.
Moss is awesome. Mossum, even.
Oh yeah, let's go.
I think I see it.
Breathing new life into the unknown.
After a long and cold hike, we made it to our home for the night. Apparently, I couldn't even make it the last 4 feet to the tent and decided to drop everything and collapse right here. Oh, this is very nice. Oh, there's a hammock in here. This is amazing.
Home sweet home. So this is what a hot tent is, Tal.
Who knew?
Not me.
We'll keep moving on up. Let's go. Let's go. Won't stop till we get to the top. No.
We are going to spend the next 24 hours living in this hot tent. This is something pretty new for me and Talia, but we have the experts here to lead the way. Hot tent on 3! 1, 2, 3, hot tent!
You guys got this, right?
I came here with my city clothes, as the girls call them, so I got to borrow cool overalls.
Wow, do a little spin.
Do you like them?
Woo!
You're wearing these? No, you're not actually.
Do you have boots for me?
We need to get the fire going ASAP. So you guys get to build a fire in a stove every day, so maybe we can do this job?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you should.
Like, this is as satisfying to do as it is to watch. We have definitely started fires in the past, but the added factors of making our own kindling, working with wet wood, and our hands still being frozen definitely made this more challenging than we thought. We could feel Fire Master Crystal watching from behind, just itching to show us how it's done.
Crystal's actually the better fire master than me.
I see some orange in there.
No, I died.
Y'all, you need a fire master?
Let's go, Crystal, get in there!
I can step in!
Okay, well let's
What are we waiting for?
All right.
She is good. Don't call her fire master for nothing.
Crystal said I'm really good at making the little kindling.
You're actually so good. Is it black?
Yeah!
You just got something.
She is a woman of the fire. Woo! Look at this.
All right, I needed to step away from the group to take a second and do my daily French lesson. I have so many reasons to learn French. I have family in Quebec, in France. I want to travel all over Europe. It will probably help me get more job opportunities here in Canada, and year after year, I drop the ball, but not this year. So I signed up for Babbel, one of the leading language learning apps in the world. All it takes is 10 to 15 minutes per day for at least 3 weeks, and you're going to pick up a new language. It's scientifically proven. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
You made that sound easy. Nice. Ça va?
Ça va?
Fantastique! I love that Babbel uses real-world conversations to teach you rather than memorizing some children's song, which is basically what we did for 7 years of French class here in Canada. I know we have people watching these videos from all over the world, so I want to know what language you want to learn and why. So if you want to challenge yourself and learn something new, click the link in the description and you'll get 60% off your subscription. A big thank you to Babbel for sponsoring this week's video and allowing us to do crazy things like this. Now let's go rejoin the group.
As you can see, we got it to 7 degrees. Good job, Tal. What is going on over there?
What was it before?
Oh, it was cold in the negatives. What are we up to, gals?
Chopping wood!
Woo! Talia!
Did you see that? So proud.
Thanks for making us more heat.
One more. Woo! Bring it home. Woo! I've never seen somebody crunch on a raw potato like that.
Where's the salt?
You like that?
Oh my god, you have to try it.
Okay, you are literally the worst sous chef ever.
Ready? So good. Look, we got more.
Okay, let me try. Make me one.
Yeah, you want one now?
I'm scared to how it all.
Okay, you bite, yeah.
Better than I thought.
Oh,
I just taste salt. Okay, it's weird. It gets weirder.
No, it's so good.
No,
Start.
weird.
You want another?
Can you cut?
I got it, I'm sorry.
I just wanna see it all. Staring at my crystal ball. Read the lines across my palm. Dreaming.
Hello, Crystal? Are you there?
10 now.
10?
Last time I looked at it, it was 9. Now it's at 11.
Whoa, it just went up right in front of your eyes.
Literally. It's either our fire making skills or our cooking.
You know, I think it's a little bit of both, but that's
Both,
okay.
all of us breathing, all of us moving. It's getting
Hot in here.
So take off all your clothes. Don't laugh at my dancing skills, okay? I don't usually eat stew, so I don't have many stews to compare this to. But out of all the stews I've eaten, this is the #1 stew. It's tomatoey, oniony, garlicky, of course, and it's warming my soul and my heart because my cute girlfriend Talia made it. I was really expecting to sleep on the rock solid floor, so these mattresses are quite an upgrade.
Our hot tent idea was sort of last minute, so we're dealing with 3 sleeping bags for 4 girls. This quickly turned into fighting over who gets to sleep with big warm Bella.
They're all ours. So cute. So cute. We are carrots. Tiny little heads.
Okay, let's go look at the stairs.
Wow, this is amazing.
What a perfect night.
make a wish.
You need me, you can call me.
Just call me a hero, but tonight I am the fire stoker.
Oh.
I'm sleeping on the end, and I'm gonna be in charge of putting logs in the thing.
When the sky's falling down and there's no one around, call me, oh, call me.
What'd you say?
Thank you, Talia. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Yeah, thanks, Tal. I'll let you know if I get cold. I'll be on the end.
You see the little halo above
I'm
my
not-
head?
Good night.
Good night. I was lucky enough to sleep closest to the fire, but that meant I was the designated stoker, responsible for waking up every hour or so to stoke the fire and make sure we don't all freeze our butts off. It was very calm and cozy until we realized we had some company.
Oh, I see it. It's big. It's in where we ate. That's big.
Where'd it go?
No, they're so vicious. They're so vicious. That's the martin, man. There's a martin in here.
No, it's not the martin.
Yes, it is.
You're lying.
Where am I lying?
That's the martin?
That's a big martin. Bad.
Did you see it, Tal? I saw
It's
it.
white.
Yeah.
What is a martin, you ask?
These long-tailed weasels will hunt just about anything.
A bear won't even go after a martin. That's how vicious they are. Yeah, look at that face now. That's what I'm saying, girl. This is
Are you sure?
This is no rat in the city. This is a martin in the wild.
Oh, it's behind you! Oh, it's behind you!
Can you Google it for me?
You don't even want me to Google it, or you're gonna be running so out of here.
No, I would really actually like you to Google it.
I don't think I can.
Okay, so now what? Do we have to pack everything up right now?
No, just take yourself and
Come back
climb a tree or something.
is the most beautiful day. The skies are perfectly blue and there's a sparkling blanket of snow on all these trees. That was definitely an eventful sleep, but surprisingly, I think we actually did fall asleep by about 2 and woke up around 6, so not too bad. It's actually better than I expected. Okay, I'm hearing some motion in the tent, and I just heard Talia say she made eye contact with the furry creature that visited us last night, so let's go check it out.
Oh! Don't not be scared of us. You have to be scared of us. It's not. Get it out. Oh, it's cute. That is not cute. It's not scared of us at all. Like it's just gonna go. Oh my God! Yeah, I think it worked. Huh? Good job.
Coffee's ready.
And what a perfect morning we are having with the blue skies, our BLTs for breakfast, hot coffee, and of course, the best company. 12 out of 10.
Fueled up for the long hike home. Okay, Crystal has cleaned the entire tent. We're packed up. Our toes are frozen again, and we're gonna head out. Cause look how pretty it looks out there. Would you do it again? Honest opinion. The smile. No one wants to be negative on the channel. And we're not being negative. You just sometimes gotta know what you like and what you don't like. And what we don't like is being cold and sleeping with rodents. If you do, it might be for you. Goodbye, hot tent. Smell you later. What we experienced throughout the past 24 hours was a shift in perspective. To some people, an off-grid cabin in the middle of nowhere is extremely uncomfortable, but after living in a tent during a freezing cold winter night, we felt our comfort baseline lowering and an overall shift in the way we saw everything.
Goodbye, little canvas tent in the woods. We did it!
We realized that each new comfort you experience becomes your baseline. The higher that baseline is, the less satisfied you are with anything less than that. So if we try to incorporate more discomfort in an intentional way, we can actually lower our baseline and feel overall much more comfortable and happy and satisfied.
All of a sudden, this cabin feels like a 5-star resort.
Hello, Crystal? Are you there? Are you there? Daz is there too. They let me out of the phone call and I built the phone. Yeah.
Those are like the friggin' Lamborghinis of slippers.
I got Lambos on my toes. Lambos on my toes.
We're blurring out the logo until North Face contacts us. Does winter camping look good on me?
Yeah, it actually looks so good on you.
You want to play this game? Who can stand the closest while it shuts?
It's
so close.
And if you want more of this juicy experience, head on over to the Van Wives channel.
That's me. Actually, I'm only half.
Second half is...
Hi!